So I've just come back from the airport and I had to watch Sam leave and it was really emotional and now I just don't know what to do. I saw him go on the plane and I was like, don't leave me, Sam, and it's just really hard. Oh, shit.
Fuck this. I'm getting retarded.
Let's get retarded. Let's get retarded in here. 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 Yeah.
Why do stars fall at night? Well, are you here? I got your message last
Today I'm at Macca's just to get my fix, you know, feel a little bit better. Hi, can I please have a Sammy Mac? I mean, whoops, a Big Mac. Yeah, anything else? So, it's day 100 and Sam is back. I'm so excited to see him.